thick, creamy pineapple peach and blueberry smoothie. Well, this one is perfect for the summer holidays. So if you want to see how, continue watching. And here are my ingredients. I have some blueberries, all frozen, peach and pineapple cubes. And I'm going to use full milk. Use milk of your choice, and we're just going to put that in our blender, blend until smooth, and enjoy right away. So welcome or welcome back to the channel. If it's the first time here, please tap the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. In that way you'll never miss another upload. And to my returning supporters, thank you guys so much for the continued support. I really love the interaction on my videos and I appreciate you guys a lot. So guys, watch to the end, like the video, share, and drop me a comment below. And again, until next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.